start with the new topic, and very interesting and important as well. There are basically two formulas in this chapter that we need to learn very well. This is one of them. First one. Okay, nth term of AP. Now we know AP, there are two types of AP, right? Infinite and finite. Finite means what? There are limited terms into that. And infinite means there are so many terms that you can just go endlessly. So when we talk about the infinite AP, we can be having so many terms like 100 terms, 200 terms, 300 terms. When we write the AP, let's just talk about the simple one, the even numbers only. Let's start with even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and so on. We know that. Suppose if we want to find 7th term, 7th, okay, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th and 7th. If we write 2, 3 more terms, then we are going to get the 7th term. But what about the 100th term? Suppose if we want to find 999 term, then what to do? We are not going to keep writing till we get the 999th term, right? There should be some way to solve that in the easier way. So this formula is about that. We want to reduce our effort to keep writing it. And so this is the idea behind the nth term of the AP. Now what is the formula for that? Formula is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now you must be thinking there are so many terms here. A we know very well, the first term. So let's write A is equal to first term. Then D we know very well, that's common difference. Common difference. That's common difference. And n is number of term. And finally an is nth term. Okay, so suppose if we want to find 100th term, so what we will take instead of n? That is 100. A100 is equal to a. So we can take a is equal to 2, common differences also 2. Then we can substitute and get the 100 term. That's very simple to do that. Let's try. So a100 is equal to a is what? First term. So 2 plus n minus 1. Here n is what? We want to find 100 term. So 100 minus 1, that is 99. And d is 2. So that is 2 plus 99 into 2, 198 is equal to 200. So 100 termth value is 200. Very simple. Let's do one question here as well. So we have a is equal to 7, d is equal to 3 and n is equal to 8. We need to find the a8. See, an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n value is what? 8. So a8, instead of a, what are we going to write? 7 plus n is what? 8 minus 1. d is what? 3. So 7 plus 8 minus 1, that is 7 into 3. So 7 plus 21, that is 28. So what is the 8th term over here? That is 28. So this is the application for the nth term. We can find any number of term if we have this sufficient information. Basically we need 3 information, a, d and n. If we have that, we can get the an. Now this is the forward case. We have a, d, n and we are finding the an. If we have the reverse case, suppose 28 is given to you and you need to find something else, that is also possible. So we'll discuss those questions as well. Now let's move on to the next question. Let's discuss one more question. Find 10th term of AP. Previously everything was ready-made given to us, a, d and n. Here some information is given indirectly. So let's start with that case. So first of all, 10th term. So can we write n is equal to 10? Okay. Now a is the first term. A is equal to 2. And common difference d is 7 minus 2, that is 5. Now you must be thinking, Why am I not checking that it is AP or not? See, in the question itself, it is given, find 10th term of AP. It is AP, that's it. No need to doubt it, right? Find the calculation for the information that is being asked over here. So let's start with the formula. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we want to find the 10th term. So a 10, what is the value of a? 2 plus n minus 1, that is 10 minus 1, and d is 5. So 2 plus 9 multiplied by 5. So 2 plus 45. So what is the final answer? 47. So 10th term of this AP is 47. That's very simple, right? 10th term, n is equal to 10, a is equal to 2, d is equal to difference we need to take, right? Second term minus first term, remember. Then apply the formula, do the calculation and get the 10th term.